Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we will be discussing important current affairs for the topic sports for April month. It will be quite important session for you all, so stay tuned with us till the end. Students, let's start. The first is Resi Vander Dusen, a top order batter, announced the retirement from international cricket. He is from which country? He is from South Africa. Next, identify the incorrect statement regarding the Khelo India Tribal Games 2026. So among the following, we have to find the incorrect statement. Option B is right, C is right, A is wrong, which is our answer. It is saying that Odisha emerged as the overall winner of the games. Is it so? So, no. It is Karnataka that emerged as the overall champion, not Odisha. Next, which country emerged as the top performer at the 22nd Asian Wrestling Championship held in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, where India finished 5th with 17 medals? Right option, Iran. Next, the Asian Boxing Championship was held in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia from 28th to 11th April. Placed India second behind Kazakhstan. Find out the total number of medals that were won by our country, India. So, India won a total of 5 gold, 3 silver and 8 bronze. Kazakhstan was on the top position with 15 medals. Our country, India, we were on the second position with 16 medals. Next, which of the following statement is correct regarding Badminton Asia Championship 2026? So among the following, option A is right and B is right, C is wrongly mentioned. Next, mention the host city of the International Shooting Sports Federation World Cup 26, where Mukesh Nelivalli and Palak Gulia won the mixed team 10-meter air pistol gold with a world-class score. So mention the host city. It is Granda. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the International Chess Federation Women's Candidate Tournament 2026. So among the following, right option are all the above. Next, what is the name of the initiative launched in April 26 by Paralympic Committee of India in collaboration with French Institute in India to promote inclusive education and empower youth through para sports? So what is the name of the initiative here? It is Para Elan. Next, mention the chess player who became India's 95th Grandmaster after achieving his final Grandmaster norm at the 23rd Bangkok Chess Club Open held in Bangkok in April. Right option, Arnoek Ghosh. Right, he is from Kolkata, West Bengal. Next, which of the following is not among the countries selected for FIDE Women's Development Program? So among the following, Japan has not been selected here. Next, mark the correct statement regarding International Shooting Sports Federation Junior World Cup held in April. So among the following, if we see, all the three options are rightly mentioned. Next, identify the host location for the SAFF Women's Championship 26 announced by the South Asian Football Federation in April. So among the following, if we see here, identify the host location, Margao, Goa. Next, name the athlete who became the first to run the sub 2-hour competitive marathon at the London Marathon 2026. Right option, Sebastian Sabe. Next, identify the organization that has joined International World Games Association during the annual general meeting held at the Olympic Museum in Lausanne, Switzerland. So, right option, it is International Chess Federation. Next, name the organization with which International Shooting Sport Federation signed an agreement to transfer the governance of shooting para sport. It is International Paralympic Committee. So these were your important current affairs, students. Now let's move to the revision part. Artemis 2 mission launched in April. Among the following, also all the three options are rightly mentioned. The 4-member crew was Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch and Jeremy Hansen. And NASA is using Space Launch System rocket to send 4 astronauts on a crew test flight here. Apart from this, NASA is using the Orion crew capsule for this mission. This is important, so take a note. Next, the integrated airdrop test successfully conducted by the ISRO in April at Sriharikota is associated with which mission? It is associated with Gaganyaan mission. Next, name the company that unveiled Muse Spark AI model in April to strengthen their position in the global AI race. So right option is Meta Platforms Incorporation. Next, name the NASA's Orion capsule that carried Artemis 2 crew to their 10-day lunar mission. So we were discussing it. What was the name? That is Integrity. That I asked you to remember. That is your Orion crew capsule. The name is Integrity. Next is what is the name of the initiative launched in April in 2026 by USA's Office of Science and Tech Policy to advance space nuclear power, targeting deployment of reactors on the moon and Mars. So name the initiative. What is the initiative? Right, it is National Space Technology Memorandum 3, NSTM 3. Next, in April, NASA announced the SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket will launch the Rosalind Franklin rover to Mars. This Rosalind Franklin rover belongs to which space agency? It belongs to European Space Agency. Next, in April, the China Manned Space Agency selected two Pakistani candidates. Who are they? Mohammad Zasin Ali and Khurram Daud. They were selected for astronaut training under the China's human spaceflight program. Next, identify the indigenously developed air-launched anti-ship cruise missile successfully test fired by the Pakistan Navy. Right option is Taimur missile. Next, identify the space telescope that was unveiled by NASA in April to study dark matter, dark energy and exoplanets. It is Roman Space Telescope. Next, name the private space company whose New Glenn rocket failed to place the Bluebird 7 satellite into their intended orbit in April during a mission aimed to enhance space-based cellular connectivity. So name that private space company. It is Blue Origin and it is of Jeff Bezos. Next, identify the private space company that flagged off India's first privately built orbital rocket, that is Vikram 1 in April, from Hyderabad, Telangana to Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. So identify that private space company. Right option is Skyroot Aerospace Private Limited. Next, China National Space Agency